about Kissa Kursi ka, because who becomes the next Mukhyamantri or the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, that still remains a development that everyone is eyeing out. Devendra Fadnavis or Eknath Shinde. The suspense continues. A number of meetings that have now taken place in the last 48 hours right after the results were announced. However, it seems to be that no decision has been taken yet. What we are learning that the BJP High Command will be taking the final call. Mahayuti alliance, which secured 235 out of 288, historic as far as the seats is concerned in the Maharashtra Assembly elections, with the BJP getting a lion's share of 132. The maximum number of seats, Shinde Sena got 57, while Ajit Pawar's NCP got 41. Therefore, going by the numbers, the BJP has clearly an advantage. But the question is about what happens to Eknath Shinde. Even when it comes to an inside scoop that Times Now is now picking up on who will be the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra, where after back-to-back meetings that have taken place in the last 24 hours, one thing is clear: Devendra Fadnavis and Eknath Shinde are in the race, as the party recognizes the electoral advantage of having a leader like Eknath Shinde, who has proven his political mettle in connecting with the voters, especially when it comes to women voters through the Ladki Bahin scheme. And on the other hand, the BJP leadership sees Fadnavis as someone who can bring a dynamic approach to governance, someone who has helped BJP secure an unprecedented victory in the state of Maharashtra, especially after the dismal performance in the recently concluded Lok Sabha elections as well. So here, when it comes to sources that have been now suggesting that as far as the front runners are concerned, BJP's Devendra Fadnavis and the current Chief Minister Eknath Shinde both are in the race to become the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra. BJP is likely to stake claim to the CM's post, while Shinde Sena wants the CM post for 2.5 years. Now, some in Shinde Sena netas are of the view that the BJP should continue the Bihar model. Now, what is the Bihar model? In Bihar, the BJP did not look at the numbers, but till that time it made JDU leader-in-chief Nitish Kumar, JDU leader Nitish Kumar as the Chief Minister. They continued with his face. However, sources have also suggested that Ajit Pawar camp is backing BJP's Devendra Fadnavis, and in return they are seeking the post of the Deputy Chief Minister. So remains to be seen as far as in the run for the Chief Minister are concerned. Two main contenders that we are looking at. One is Devendra Fadnavis, second is Eknath Shinde.
विधायकों की मीटिंग हुई। इस विधायक की मीटिंग में माननीय शिवसेना मुख्य नेता एकनाथ शिंदे साहब को विधायक के मुख्य नेता गठ नेता नियुक्त किया गया और सभी विधायकों ने उसके लिए सपोर्ट किया।
Bharatiya Janata Party has got 132 MLAs and they are the largest party. They were also the largest party in the outgoing coalition. Now that's all right. There's no real issue. There's not going to be any fight. Let people speculate. Discussions will take place and some formula will be worked out. Give us 2-3 days, we'll sit together. MLAs are, also celebrating and thanking their voters. So we have to give 1 or 2 days before we all sit together and then we'll find a solution. There will be no fight as our dear opponents are trying to imagine.
जिस तरह से भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने बिहार में संख्या भर देखा नहीं, लेकिन छोटी पार्टी है, उसको बड़ी करने के लिए नीतीश कुमार को सीएम पद दिलाया, वैसे ही एकनाथ शिंदे साहब को सीएम पद मिलेगा, यह हमें विश्वास है। आखिर ये निर्णय महायुति के नेतागण लेने वाले हैं, वरिष्ठ नेतागण लेने वाले हैं। ये चुनाव एकनाथ शिंदे साहब के नेतृत्व में, देवेंद्र फडणवीस, अजीत दादा, इनके नेतृत्व में और हमारे मंत्रीगण, कार्यकर्ता, पदाधिकारियों की मेहनत का नतीजा है।
Wait and watch, but every BJP worker and almost everyone from the Mahayuti also wants Devendra ji to lead the government. But let's wait and watch what the party leadership and what the Mahayuti leaders, when they come together and what they take a final call. But we all wish and pray as a BJP worker, Honorable Devendra Fadnavis ji gets to lead the state again, because the people of Maharashtra have clearly given a mandate to Shinde ji that the Shiv Sena is with him. The Hindutva that Honorable late Balasaheb Thackeray ji used to talk about is something that Eknath Shinde ji is taking ahead, and same goes with Ajit Dada, where the NCP is single-handedly now with him. So the mandate has clearly, given a straight message कि who the real Shiv Sena and who the real NCP is.
So with another